Hello, my name is Tima. Welcome to my video today. I'm promoting in my channel healthy lifestyle, raw vegan eating, fasting. These days I'm currently doing a raw vegan fast. It's a 40-day long fast as the Lent. So my video today is from the detoxification and the healing crisis. What symptoms can you experience until the process? What is detoxification? When you eat a regular diet, your body need to detox more because the cooked food are maybe a bit poisonous for the body. In the nature, everything uncooked, so I think for the body don't need anything cooked, and until we eating cooked food, the body try to process it somehow with the kidneys and the liver and the lymphatic system working on it hardly and storing it up if it's unable to handle with it. We can, in the detox symptoms, we can feel sick during the detox. Detox mode working while the removing process working in the body. You maybe feel sick until the body properly hydrated and alkaline. I think cooked food cause acidity and mucus forming in our bodies. And until the detox process, the macrobiology changing because it was created for the cooked food, the dead environment, and it has to be changed. And that changing movement can cause lots of healing and detoxification crises. It can last a few weeks, or if you have fungus and parasites, it can take a few months until the body full alkaline and clean. I have a very nice book from Dr. Robert Morse, ND. It's the Detox Miracle Source book, and he described very well the healing crisis symptoms and effects. I will read it. When I first had a fast, I felt this most of these symptoms. Now I don't have too much. I'm on the 7th day of my fast, and I feel a little bit tiredness, but a little dizziness, but not too much. So Dr. Moore says the healing crisis. The following are some examples of the healing crisis that can happen during the cleansing process. During my 30 years of detoxification experience, I have witnessed so many different types of healing crises that I do not have the space to cover them all. This section deals with the most common side effects, many of which I have undergone from my own detoxification efforts. I have divided these cleaning side effects into the categories: mild, moderate, and strong. Each of these levels may be experienced at one time or another. However, most people do not experience the strong level. It all depends upon one level of toxicity combined with his or her systemic energies or strength. Mild cleansing effects. Cold and flu-like symptoms. Low-grade fevers, about 100 Fahrenheit, 100 Fahrenheit. Coughing with or without discharge. Clear and yellow mucus discharge from nose or throat. Minor aches and pains. Mucus in stools. Mucus in urine. Loss of energy. Rash and itching. Disease symptoms increasing temporarily. Mucus from eyes. Mild headaches. Minor blurred vision. Minor vertigo. Weight loss. Average 8 to 15 labs in 2 weeks. Depends upon level of thyroid weakness. Can be as little as 2 labs. Chills. Emotion rising up, such as mild crying, anger, or even laughter. Short-term nosebleeds. Some rectal bleeding, hemorrhoids, or lesions. Minor blood in urine. And the moderate cleansing effects. Symptoms of bronchitis or pneumonia. Heavy discharge of green to brown mucus from nose and throat. Pain in joints. Heavy discharge from kidneys. Urine color changes to brown, orange, or dark yellow. Pain in old injuries or in degenerative areas of the body. Minor paralysis or limbs. Chronic fatigue symptoms. Nosebleeds. Spasm of the lungs in asthma, emphysema. Moderate shortness of breath. Temporary increase in tumor size. Disease symptoms magnifying. Sores appearing on the skin. Oozing in innumerable substances from the skin, especially from the hands and feet. Bruising. Weak muscle breakdown. Heavy mucus discharge from eyes and ears. Vomiting, diarrhea, cellulitis, dizziness or vertigo. Minor heart palpitations. Loose teeth. Minor abscess in mouth. Migraines. High-grade fever. Deep coughing. Depression or anxieties, emotional releasing, heavy thoughts, skin splitting where heavy toxins exist, excessive itching, mercury tooth feeling can pushed out by depression or anxieties, emotional releasing, crying, anger, laughter, heavy thoughts, skin splitting where heavy toxins exist, excessive itching, mercury tooth feelings can pushed out by the body, rectal bleeding from past or present hemorrhoids or lesions. You may experience one or several of above cleansing effects. Don't panic. You want these. I love to see dark green mucus coming out of my patients. That's an excellent sign that they are doing the program correctly and are benefiting from it. It is always smart to work with a qualified healthcare practitioner who has had advanced experience with detoxification and its side effects. So this is for today. I would like to share all of these symptoms are temporary, and as the fast is work longer on our bodies, it will be easier and less and less symptoms. So this is for today. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Bye.